Hi, I'm Fam, and with this micro lecture I want to show you how I included blended elements in a course. So I recently taught about 50 pre-master students in methods and statistics, and in the course I offer different modes of content to help my students learn better and to stimulate different types of interaction. And for this I made use of an online learning environment, in this case Blackboard. So this is what the students saw, and the first blended element is that every week I uploaded instructions for that specific week. So that looked like this. So you can see homework for every week. So for example, in week 3 I explained how students could best prepare for the lecture, and that was about experiments. And I told them what to read. So they first had to read an article, and then I explained to them that they could watch a micro lecture about true experiments. And by including this micro lecture, I could discuss concrete examples of true experiments during the lecture itself. So that was more efficient for me. Every week I also uploaded a test. That consisted of about 5 to 8 questions, so students could test their understanding of the materials, and after finishing the test they saw their score and they also got feedback on their answers. Before my lectures I often checked the test results, and that gave me some insight in the level of the understanding, and then if needed I would adapt my lecture to focus more on topics that were less understood. So I could see that in this course approximately 1/3 of students made the test every week, and most others made the test as a preparation for the exam. So sometimes I also uploaded additional materials. I did that to deepen students' understanding of a specific topic. So in this case, for example, I uploaded a YouTube video about the famous Milgram experiment, and I found this very relevant for the students, but I just did not have the time to incorporate in my lecture. So as a preparation for the lectures, I offered existing micro lectures from an UvA MOOC about methods and statistics. And as additional support for an assignment about statistics, I also uploaded skill-focused micro lectures, and these helped students in working with SPSS. In the next courses, I will also use these as a preparation for tutorials, because I think that lecturers then have time to focus on explaining SPSS output instead of showing what to click on in SPSS. Finally, I gave my students the opportunity to ask me questions through the online discussion forum, and I agreed with them that I would answer the questions twice a week. And as you can see, students really made use of this. And in addition, I also encouraged them to answer each other's questions, which, as you can see here, also worked out nicely. Here is a question of a student, and then one of the other students, in this case Liz, gave an answer to the question of the previous student, and then I checked that and responded to that as well. So, to conclude, I used the online learning environment just as we always do, but I added blended content to help students learn better and to make my lecturing more efficient and fun.